What if one simple change in the way you sleep could make your pregnancy much more comfortable? Stay with me because the best sleeping position isn't what many moms expect.
For many pregnant women, sleeping on the left side with proper support can feel much more comfortable, especially as pregnancy progresses. As your pregnancy grows, one simple question becomes more important than ever. Does the way you sleep really matter? The answer might surprise you. If you wake up on your back, there's usually no need to panic. Simply change to a comfortable side position and continue resting. But what about sleeping on your back? Many expecting mothers worry about this. Let's clear up one of the biggest pregnancy sleep myths. Many mothers also find sleeping on the right side comfortable. However, many healthcare providers often recommend the left side, especially later in pregnancy. Many pregnant women also find sleeping on the right side comfortable, but there's still one position that many healthcare providers recommend even more often. Here's something many moms don't realize. The position is important, but proper support with pillows can make an even bigger difference in helping you sleep comfortably. For many women, the left side becomes the most comfortable sleeping position during pregnancy. Using pillows for extra support can make resting even easier. Before bedtime, try supporting your body with pillows, stay hydrated throughout the day, and create a calm bedtime routine to help you sleep more comfortably. If you're constantly tossing and turning, your body may simply need better support. A well-placed pillow can often make sleeping much easier. There's no perfect night during pregnancy. Listen to your body, adjust your position when needed, and choose whatever feels most comfortable for you. A relaxing bedtime routine can help prepare your mind and body for sleep. Simple habits like reducing screen time and creating a peaceful environment may help you unwind. Simple habits like reducing screen time and creating a peaceful environment may help you unwind. Let's quickly recap. Every pregnancy is different, but many moms find side sleeping with good support the most comfortable. Listen to your body and choose the position that helps you rest best. Remember, there isn't one perfect way to sleep. What matters most is finding a position that keeps you comfortable while following the advice of your healthcare provider. Every pregnancy is unique. The most important thing is to listen to your body. If something feels uncomfortable or worries with your healthcare provider, take care, and I'll see you in the next video.